Hey dolls, it's that girl Jalyn, and I'm back with another video. As you guys see, I look totally a mess, but it's okay, because at the end of this video I am going to be completely a different woman. Well, I'm gonna be the same woman, just looking different. But by the title of the video, y'all know what I am about to get myself into today. I am about to just have like a little spa day to myself, a little remake of myself, because your girl haven't been pampered in so long. So I'm gonna get a wax, get my feet done, get my hair done. I'm on my way to my hair appointment. I'm running a little late, but it's okay because she said her next client isn't until 5 o'clock, so that is totally fine. I meant to put some sheer moisture in my hair because my hair is a little dry, but it's okay because I wash my hair and it's dry every time after I wash it, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna be recording the process. I'm literally in the car right now, playing my music, my song Tory Lanez. Lately I've been feeling some Tory Lanez, and I've been feeling some Party Next Door, and I've been feeling some what's his name, not August Alsina, but it's one more person that I just like. I've been liking their music, and I just been feeling the vibes. So I should not be driving while I should not be recording while driving. So I'm gonna see you guys once I get to my hair appointment. About to be looking on fleek, y'all. And I'm about to take some Instagram pictures for tomorrow because I haven't posted in over a month on my page. So I just feel so like I don't feel right. So, and this camera is heavy on my arm, so I am about to just drive to my destination, and I'll see you guys once I get there.
Oh, Ralph Norman.
Alright you guys, so I am done getting my hair done. Honestly, I think it's okay. Next I'm gonna do something like really long because I don't know. So I am at like European Wax Center, and your girl's about to get her kitty wax. So I'm gonna get my kitty wax. I'm gonna get my eyebrows waxed. I usually don't go here for my eyebrows, but this is my first time, and you know, it's free, so why not give it a try? So I'm gonna just record and show y'all. Probably it's a hype, I have no idea, but I just can't wait to get dressed and take some pictures. But yeah, so I'm about to just walk in here. I already scheduled my appointment, but I'm about to look over here to see what kind of stuff they have. So wait, this is a better view. It's cute, but I don't know, I want something like longer, but I don't know what type of stuff this is. Ooh, they probably got some shaving lotion, because let's see, body lotion. I have no idea. We gonna look, and I'll tell you guys if I purchase anything. Alright you guys, so I'm currently in the bathroom because I am about to get my wax. So I was just thinking, like, because I walked in and the lady was like, it's okay if you vlog out here, but you can't vlog behind the room. But I'm gonna still try to sneak in some footage for y'all, okay? So right now I'm in the bathroom, and I just had like literally the hardest time using the bathroom. First of all, I don't sit on the toilet, so I accidentally peed on the toilet, a little bit on the floor, and I like flush like this. Let me know if you guys do that too. But if you guys want to see my body results, I'm gonna take like some Instagram pictures and everything. They're gonna be really cute. So I need to wash my hands while I'm touching my hair because I ain't washed my hands yet. Also, I got my nails done. I need to get my toes done because these babies is not done. They're looking crazy right now. So I'm gonna get my feet done as well. And then I'm just super hungry, so I don't know what I'm gonna eat today. I have no idea. Hopefully my girl wanna go out to eat. You guys, I don't like talking in the bathroom, so I'm gonna just talk to you guys once I leave out of here. Let me show you guys a quick little look at my nails. Actually, I'm gonna do that once I get home because my little cuticles are ashy. But it's like literally raining right now and I'm on my way home. It was just raining harder than this. It's trying to slow down, but why do it needs to rain when I just got my hair done? I'm gonna need Nair to shield me to get in the house because I'm not trying to get my hair wet. But yeah, so let me tell you guys something about this waxing stuff. And I don't have my seatbelt on, but it's okay. So anyways, like I was saying, okay, waxing is not that bad as everybody makes it to be, because I promise you, when I just did this waxing, I'm just like, it is not, hold on, my bad, y'all. It's not that bad. Like, I didn't even feel anything. I got my kitty wax, I got my legs, I got my booty. But yeah, so I don't think it was bad. And the girl, she gave me like a really good discount, so it only came out to $83, which is not bad at all, for like almost my whole body. But I need to put on my seatbelt. Hold on. Ooh. So, oh my gosh, let me do this. So yeah, it wasn't bad at all. The videos that I seen, y'all made it seem like we was about to meet, y'all was about to meet God or something. Y'all was about to meet Jesus, cause that's what y'all was acting like. Some people act like it hurts so bad. But look at this rain. Oh shoot. I should not be recording, y'all. So I'm about to head to the house and everything. I need to see because I have bad eyes on the road. I'm not trying to get in a car wreck. So I'll see you guys once I get to the house, and I'm gonna go get my toes done. Hopefully my boyfriend comes. So yeah, and I still need to eat. I ain't eat all that, so it's whatever. So I'm back home from getting my wax and everything. I got my eyebrows done too. I forgot to tell y'all that too. But she said, she advised me to like let them grow out because they're like getting skinny at the ends, and you know, eyebrows is hard to grow out. Well, mine's hard to grow out. So let me show you guys my nails. Since I told you guys I was gonna show you guys my nails, let me show y'all. Let it focus. They're really cute. Hold on. If it focuses. Okay, so they have like little butterflies on them on this one right here. But they're really cute. Got my hair done and everything. Babe, you wanna go get your toes done with me?
Yeah, we're gonna get our toes done. When?
Yay! Right now.
Right now? Yeah, we're going right now.
So y'all, like I said in the car, I hope my baby go get his toes done with me. So he said yes, so we about to go get our toes done. I'm happy because I like doing stuff with my baby. Like, that's my only friend. I swear, y'all, like we could do everything together, huh, baby? So you guys, we're about to go get our toes done. Babe, what color should I get? Should I get something to match this nails or white?
Something to match your nails, pink.
This or white? Okay, I do pink. Okay, so we about to go get our nails done, and I'm very hungry.
You hungry?
Cause what you eat?
Some nasty food. Oh.
I literally woke up at 5:45 because I needed to go get my ID, but I couldn't go get my ID because we left out a little too late, and people were saying like how Houston DMV is bad, like the lines be long and everything. So I was just like, maybe I'm gonna try tomorrow. I'm gonna go try tomorrow. But I need to like go get my toes done, you guys, because I need to be on a road today. I have stuff to do tomorrow. Oh, you such a gentleman. So like I showed y'all my nails. I'm gonna get like a color like this. Wait, can you reach that one? Wait, this part.
Which one?
Open this for me. So we're about to see this color, and then we just gonna get our nails done. Oh no, that's too dark.
Which one?
Let's see.
This one.
You think this one?
This.
You think?
No.
You think this one?
Let me see.
Oh, that's like a clear.
Yeah.
Well, we gonna find it and I'll show y'all. Alright, you guys, so we are going to get the milk and honey with the hot stones, everything. It's not hot to me. And Bay over there smashing with his little hot towel. It's good, baby? He getting his little feet done. I mean his big feet done.
Yes, right here.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So they only had like this one, and then they had like mimosas and wine, but I'm just gonna eat this with this because I don't want wine with some Taco Bell. And then, so this comes with a warm neck pillow, a 12-minute foot massage with hot stones, creamy rich taste, the vanilla, I said vanilla, vitamin D milk, orange sea salt, milk and honey scrub, and mask with feet towel. I don't know if you guys can see. There it goes. So we are about to just enjoy our massage. Right, baby? He over there smashing. He don't even know what I'm saying. What you get to drink?
White.
It tickle. It's hard. It's feel like it's so intense.
I turned mine off.
You turned yours off? It hurts that bad?
It's going all the way down. Then go back.
Yeah. Like Nobody has the worst salon chairs than the salon. These, like, look y'all. This thing hurts. It hurts. I don't know how to turn it down. If y'all know how to turn it down, let me know, because I don't know how to. I pressed this, but it stopped it completely. So probably range. I don't know. I have no idea. But this feels so good. Look at them dogs over there. Look at my dogs. He wants pink.
Okay.
Pink. Tickle right? With some flowers and some diamonds. You're handsome. Huh? Handsome. It tickles? Or you just can't take it? I'm not ticklish.
You used to that. You've been doing this for a long time. I'm just now starting to do this. It's probably my fifth time.
Your sixth time?
So that's cool.
That thing, right, that cheese grinder thing, that does tickle though. I just got my toes finished, and let me show y'all a little look at it. Looking way better, y'all. I got a scar on my foot from I forgot what was that from. I think it was from like a challenge or something. So anyways, yeah, I am done with this vlog, whatever y'all want to call it. I am done. I'm about to go in the house because your girl is super tired. I'm so exhausted. I just need a nap, like a nap. I've been up since 5:45 this morning. I need a nap. I've been running all day. I just want to sit down. You know, we all got those times. So if you guys like this video and you guys enjoyed this video of me getting pampered, make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel on the road to 100K. And if you guys want to see more vlogs like this, make sure you guys drop in the comment section more vlogs, hashtag more vlogs. And with that being said, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, peace.